ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। अगजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् एकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। दोर्भिर्युक्ता चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीमक्षमालां दधाना हस्ते नैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना समाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गम् लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिहृद्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. With the dhyana, I will do Parayana quickly and then we will go through new shlokas. तपस्वाध्यायनिरतं तपस्वी वाग्विदाम्बरं नारदं परिपप्रच्छ वाल्मीकिर्मुनिपुङ्गवम् कोऽन्वस्मिन् साम्प्रतं लोके गुणवान् कश्च वीर्यवान् धर्मज्ञश्च कृतज्ञश्च सत्यवाक्यो दृढव्रतः चारित्रेण च को युक्तः सर्वभूतेषु को हितः विद्वान् कः कः समर्थश्च कश्चैकप्रियदर्शनः आत्मवान् को जितक्रोधो द्युतिमान् को न सूयकः कस्य बिभ्यति देवाश्च नाश जातरोषस्य संयुगे एतदिच्छाम्यहं श्रोतुम् परं कौतूहलं हि मे महर्षे त्वं समर्थोऽसि ज्ञातुमेवं विधन्नरम् श्रुत्वा चैतत्त्रिलोकज्ञो वाल्मीकेर्नारदो वचः श्रूयतामिति चामन्त्र्य प्रहृष्टो वाक्यमब्रवीत् बहवो दुर्लभाश्चैव ये त्वया कीर्तिता गुणाः मुने वक्ष्याम्यहं बुद्ध्वा तैर्युक्तः श्रूयतान्नरः इक्ष्वाकुवंशप्रभवो रामो नाम जनैः श्रुतः नियतात्मा महावीर्यो द्युतिमान् धृतिमान् वशी बुद्धिमान् नीतिमान् वाग्मी श्रीमान् शत्रुनिबर्हणः विपुलांसो महाबाहुः कम्बुग्रीवो महाहनुः महोरस्को महेश्वासो गूढजत्रुररिन्दमः आजानुबाहुः सुशिराः सुललाटः सुविक्रमः समः समविभक्ताङ्गस्निग्धवर्णः प्रतापवान् पीनवक्षा विशालाक्षो लक्ष्मीवान् शुभलक्षणः धर्मज्ञः सत्यसन्धश्च प्रजानां च हिते रतः यशस्वी ज्ञानसम्पन्नः शुचिर्वश्यः समाधिमान् प्रजापतिसमश्रीमान् धाता रिपुनिषूदनः रक्षिता जीवलोकस्य धर्मस्य परिरक्षिता रक्षिता स्वस्य धर्मस्य स्वजनस्य च रक्षिता वेदाङ्गतत्त्वज्ञो धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठितः सर्वशास्त्रार्थतत्त्वज्ञः स्मृतिमान् प्रतिभानवान् सर्वलोक सर्वलोकप्रियः साधुरदीनात्मा विचक्षणः सर्वदाभिगतः सद्भिः समुद्र इव सिन्धुभिः आर्यः सर्वसमश्चैव सदैव प्रियदर्शनः स च सर्वगुणोपेतः कौसल्यानन्दवर्धनः समुद्र इव गाम्भीर्ये धैर्येण हिमवानिप विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः धनदेन समस्त्यागे सत्ये धर्म इवापरः तमेवं गुणसम्पन्नं रामं सत्यपराक्रमम् ज्येष्ठं श्रीशुभगुणैर्युक्तं प्रियं दशरथः सुतं प्रकृतीनां हितैर्युक्तं प्रकृतिप्रियकाम्यया यौवराज्येन संयोक्तुम् ऐच्छत्प्रीत्या महीपतिः तस्याभिषेकसम्भारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेन मयाचत विवासनं च रामस्य भरतस्याभिषेचनम् स सत्यवचनात् राजा धर्मपाशेन संयतः विवर्तयामास सुतं रामं दशरथः प्रियम् स जगामवनं वीरः प्रतिज्ञानुपालयन् पितुर्वचननिर्देशात् कैकेय्याः प्रियकारणात् तं व्रजन्तं प्रियो भ्राता लक्ष्मणो जगामः स्नेहाद्विनयसम्पन्नः सुमित्रार्थवर्धनः भ्रातरं दयितो भ्रातुः सौभ्रात्रमनुदर्शयन् रामस्य दयिता भार्या नित्यं प्राणसमाहिता जनकस्य कुले जाता देवमायेव निर्मिता सर्वलक्षणसम्पन्ना नारीणां तमावधूः सीताप्यनुगता रामं शिशिनं रोहिणी यथा पौरैरनुगतो दूरं पित्रा दशरथेन च शृङ्गिबेरपुरे सूतं गङ्गाकूले व्यसर्जयत् गुहमासाद्य धर्मात्मा निषादाधिपतिं प्रियम् गुहेन सहितो रामो लक्ष्मणेन च सीतया ते वनेन वनं गत्वा नदीस्तीर्त्वा बहूदकाः चित्रकूटमनुप्राप्य भरद्वाजस्य शासनात् रम्यमावसथं कृत्वा रममाणा वने त्रयः देवगन्धर्वसङ्काशाः तत्र ते न्यवसन् सुखम् चित्रकूटं गते रामे पुत्रशोकातुरस्तथा राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम विलपन् सुतम् मृते तु तस्मिन् भरतो वसिष्ठप्रमुखैर्द्विजैः नियुज्यमानो राज्याय नैच्छत् राज्यं महाबलः स जगाम वनं वीरो रामपादा रामपादप्रसादकः गत्वा तु सुमहात्मानं रामं सत्यपराक्रमम् अयाचद्भ्रातरं रामम् आर्यभावपुरस्कृतः त्वमेव राजा धर्मज्ञ इति रामं वचोऽब्रवीत् रामोऽपि परमोदारः सुमुखः सुमहायशाः न चैच्छत्पितुरादेशाद् राज्यं रामो महाबलः पादुके चास्य राज्याय न्यासं दत्त्वा पुनः पुनः निवर्तयामास ततो भरतं भरताग्रजः स काममनवाप्यैव रामपादावुपस्पृशन् नन्दिग्रामे करोद्राज्यं रामागमनकाङ्क्षया गते तु भरते श्रीमान् सत्यसन्धो जितेन्द्रियः रामस्तु पुनरालक्ष्य नागरस्य जनस्य च तत्रागमनमेकाग्रो दण्डकान् प्रविवेशः प्रविश्यतु महारण्यं रामो राजीवलोचनः विराधं राक्षसं हत्वा शरभङ्गं ददर्शः सुतीक्ष्णं चाप्यगस्त्यं च अगस्त्यभ्रातरं तथा अगस्त्यवचनाच्चैव जग्राहैन्द्रं शरासनम् खड्गं च परमप्रीतस्तूणी च हयसायकौ वसतस्तस्य रामस्य वने वनचरैः सह ऋषयोऽभ्यगम ऋषयोऽभ्यागमन् सर्वे वधायासुररक्षसाम् स तेषां प्रतिशुश्राव राक्षसानां तथा वने प्रतिज्ञातश्च रामेण वधः संयतिरक्षसाम् ऋषीणामग्निकल्पानां दण्डकारण्यवासिनाम् तेन तत्रैव वसता जनस्थाननिवासिनी विरूपिता शूर्पणखा राक्षसी कामरूपिणी ततः शूर्पणखा वाक्यात् उद्युक्तान् सर्वराक्षसान् हरं त्रिशिरसं चैव भूषणं चैव राक्षसम् निजघानरणे रामस्तेषां चैव करेक्ट् रामस्तेषां चैव पदानुगान् वने तस्मिन् निवसता जनस्थाननिवासिनां राक्षसां निहतान्यासन् सहस्राणि 14 ततो ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा Ravanah Krodhamurchitaha. So this is exactly where we stop. Till now the story has come where the Shurpanakha, she incites all the Rakshasas that are living in the Janasthana inside that Dandakaranya. She makes them fight with Ravana. The main three Rakshasas that are there, those are Khara, Dushana and Trishira. These three Rakshasas along with the 14,000 other Rakshasas, they all go to fight Rama and they all are killed. And by listening to this Jnati Vadham Shrutva, so all these Rakshasas are Jnatis. So you might have heard this word before. Jnati means relatives. Jnativadham Shrutva, because of listening to this, Ravanaha Krodhamurchitaha. He has completely lost his mind because of Krodha. Krodhamurchitaha. And then we'll read the next shlokas from now. We'll see how many shlokas we can do. Who is willing to read along with me? I'll read it once and you can follow along.
I'll do it.
Okay, ma'am. Sahayam varayamasa.
Sahayam varayamasa.
Varayamasa. What did I say? I said something else.
Okay.
Varayamasa. Marichan.
Sahayam varayamasa.
Marichan rakshasam.
Maricham nama rakshasam.
Varyamanaha. Subahusho. Varyamanas subahusho.
Varyamanastu bahusho.
Maricena saravanaha.
Marichena saravanaha.
Varyamanaha. Subahushaha Varyamanaha Marichena. By Maricha, Ravanaha Varyamanaha. Varana means to stop. He tried to stop. Maricha tried to stop Ravana. Subahushaha. In many, many ways. What did he do? Sahayam Varayamasa. Marichan Nama Rakshasam. So Ravanaha Krodhamurchitaha, being lost his mind because of Krodha, Sahayam Varayamasa. He came and asked for Sahaya from Maricha. That is the name of a particular Rakshasa. And Maricha, having encountered Rama before, Maricha and Subahu were the two Rakshasas that were trying to destroy the Yajna of Vishwamitra Maharshi. And then Rama and Lakshmana, they both were very, very strong. What they make is when the Rakshasas are trying to pour down the Mamsa and Rakta into the Homakunda, they by using the banas they make a valaya, they make an umbrella kind of thing and they protect the yaga. And then using the Vayu Vyastra, the Maricha is thrown away far, far away when Subahu is killed by some other Astra. I don't remember the Astra's name. And so because of that, Maricha is actually very, very traumatized by this event. He does not want to encounter Rama again because by only by luck he is still alive. So he tries to stop Ravana and tells him many, many ways. Varyamanaha. I think that is what it means. Let's quickly check. Varana means to stop. Varana choice selection. Not what is this? Not Varana. See, it's not given. Uh, yeah, it's not given. But that's what I think. Let's quickly see. तेषु ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्च्छितः सहायं वरयामास मारीचं नाम राक्षसम्. So as you can see, tatah, then Ravanaha Jnativadham Shrutva, having the slaughter of cousins and others. Krodhamurchidaha, in anger convulsed. Maricham Nama Rakshasam, from Maricha named demon. Sahayam varayamasa. Helped, asked for help. Started to seek varayamasa. वार्यमाणः सुबहुशः मारीचेन सह रावणः. सः रावणः, that Ravana, what happened? Varyamanaha is deterred, as you can see, to stop somebody. Varana, to means to stop somebody. Okay. Subahushaha, in many in many times. Subahushaha, he was tried, like Maricha tried to stop Ravana many times, in different ways. It's also continuing. uh, न विरोधो बलवता. uh,
I will say na virodho balavata
नमो रावणतेन ते.
shamo ravanatena the.
Yes, so he's being Shamaha, uh, tena Ravanena. Oh, Ravanaha tena. So what is being said here? Let's see. न विरोधो बलवता क्षमो रावणतेन ते. What is being said? न विरोधः, rivalry. न विरोधः, ते न क्षमः. No, you cannot have rivalry with Rama. That's what he is saying. Na virodhaha balavata, virodhaha kshamaha tena Ravana. So he's basically, this is what he's saying. What are you trying to do? I already got the beating of my life. Don't even try. Rama is very powerful. There is no rivalry between you and Rama. Don't do it. Don't do anything. That's what he said. Tena, with him. Okay, let's. Tena. Virodhaha, rivalry. Te na kshamaha, to you, not pardonable. You are not. So saying, subahushaha, in many ways, Marichena, Varyamanaha, he was deterred. Abhut, Ravana became deterred. So, but Maricha deterred Ravana, telling him time and again, O Ramana, unpardonable will be your rivalry with formidable Rama. Formidable because 14,000 of his classmen of our own could not triumph over him. He also had the thinking of life. Moreover, he just killed 14,000 Rakshasas. Okay, we'll read the next part. अनादृत्यतु तद्वाक्यम्
अनादृत्यथो तद्वाक्यम्
कालचोदितः
रावणः कालचोदितः
अनादृत्यतु तद्वाक्यम् रावणः कालचोदितः
अनादृत्यथो तद्वाक्यम् रावणः कालचोदितः
जगामसह मारीचः
जगाम सह मारीचः
तस्याश्रमपदं तदा.
तस्याश्रमपदं तदा.
So then the story is continuing. Anadrutya. Anadrutya, what does anadrutya mean? Adrutya. So anadrutya is the opposite of adrutya, most probably. What is adrutya? Adruti. Adru. Adru. Invisible. Adru. Oh, Adru. Adrushya is invisibility. That is fine. What is Adru? Okay. Unable to find it. Adru is there. Adruta. Considerate. Adruta is considerate. Okay. आदृत्य तु तत् वाक्यं रावणः कालचोदितः आदृत्य means considerate तद्वाक्यम् आदृत्य रावणः कीदृशः कालचोदितः he is being he is doing because of his end is near kalachoditah by the time of his own doom assured by it kalachodiतः कालेन चोदितः कालचोदितः रावणः तद्वाक्यं that sentence of Maricha न आदृत्य not heedful of that vakya मारीचेन सह सह मारीचम् इति दत्तं सह मारीचं जगाम सह मारीचः along with Maricha जगाम he went where tasya ashrama padam tada then he went to the ashrama padam the ashrama of Rama threshold ashrama padam threshold of Rama then heedless of Maricha's advice and ushered by the time of his own doom, Ravana advanced to the threshold of Rama's hermitage along with Maricha. What happened? Then what happened? Tena Mayavina Duram
तेन मायाविना दूरम्
अपवाह्य
अपवाह्य नृपात्मजौ अपवाह्य नृपात्मजौ
जहार भार्यां
जहार भार्यां रामस्य
गृध्रं हत्वा जटायुषम्
गृद्धं हत्वा जटायुषम्
गृध्रं हत्वा जटायुषम्
गृद्धं हत्वा जटायुषम्
गृध्रं च निहतं दृष्ट्वा
गृद्धं च निहतं दृष्ट्वा
गृद्धम् इति नास्ति गृध्रम्
गृध्रन् this will be na, right? Because of cha.
गृध्रं च it's not na it's nya
गृध्यं च निहतं दृष्ट्वा
श्रुतां श्रुत्वा च मैथिलीं
हित्वा
श्रुतां श्रुत्वा च मैथिलीं
त्वां श्रुत्वा च मैथिलीं
मैं नहीं मई
मैथिलीं
राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो
राघवः शोकासन्तप्तो
राघवः शोकसन्तप्तो
राघवः शोकासन्तप्तो संतप्तो
विललापाकुलेन्द्रियः
विललापाकुलेन्द्रियः.
So what is being said here? What happened next? Tena Mayavina, by this Mayavi, who Marichena Mayavina, by this Maya Maricha, Duram Apavahya Rupa Atmajau is Rupatmajau, the sons of the king, the two sons of the king, who Rama and Lakshmana, Duram Apavahya, they were taken far away. Apavahya, why as they were going away because of this Mayavina, because of this Maricha, Jahara Bharyam Ramasya. Hara means har lena. हरण किया किसने रावणः जहारा he kidnapped Sita. What else did he do? Grudram hatva Jatayusham. Jatayu is the name of the Grudra. So Grudra refers to an eagle. So Grudra, Grudra, desirous is given, but it is, I think it's eagle, right? No, here for vulture. So Jatayu, Grudrapati. So yeah, it's a vulture actually, not an eagle. I'm sorry. Okay. So that Jatayu Hatva was killed. So what did he do? Grudram Hatva Jatayusham Jahara Bharyam Ramasya. He kidnapped Rama's Bharya, who is Sita. Ravana stole this wife of Rama, namely Sita, by getting the princess Rama and Lakshmana distantly from their hermitage by the trickster Maricha. After putting the eagle, oh, it's eagle. Grudra is eagle because in Telugu we call it Gadda. Grudra, very similar. Jatayu, which came to Sita's rescue. So this is what happened. And we also read the next part also. Grudhancha nihatam drushva. Seeing this, seeing this Grudham, the Jatayu, nihatam means being killed or almost dead. It's not completely gashed. So Drushtva, Hrutam Shrutva cha Maithilim. He also heard from this same uh, this Jatayu only told them that, I saw Sita being kidnapped by Ravana. Shrutva. Hrutam Maithilim Shrutva, knowing that, listening to the fact that she was kidnapped, Maithili has stolen on hearing about it from the same eagle. Raghavaha Shoka Santaptaha. Raghava was extremely Shoka Santaptaha. He is completely filled with Shoka, sadness. Vilalapa, he cried. Akulendriyaha, completely frenzied senses. He lost control over his all indriyas and he wept. On seeing the eagle Jatayu almost dead, on hearing from the same eagle that Maithili is stolen, seethed with anguish and senses frenzied, Raghava bewailed. This is a very sad part actually. This is what we have. Right? Raghavaha Shoka Santapto Vilalapa Kulendriyaha. Tatasteनैव शोकेन. Somebody reading?
ततस्तेनैव शोकेन
Rudraм दग्ध्वा जटायुषम्
रुद्रं दग्ध्वा जटायुषम्
मार्गमाणो वने सीताम्
मार्गमाणो वने सीताम्
क्षसम् सन्ददर्शः.
राक्षसं सन्ददर्शः
ततो ततः ते नैव तेनैव at that time only by Rama. At that time, what did he do? Shokena, with the same shoka that he had in his heart, Grudram Dagdva, he did the Antyakriyas of that Jatayusham Grudram Dagdva, with the Antyakriyas of Jatayu, and then Margamanaha, they started going searching for Sita. Vane Sitam Margamanaha Rakshasam Sandadarshaha. While they were searching, they saw a Rakshasa. Who is this Rakshasa? Kabandhan Nama Rupena. Is somebody reading? Anybody can unmute and read. Kabandhan nama rupena.
Okay. Kabandham nama rupena
Vikrutam ghora darshanam.
vikrutham ghora darshanam
Tam nihatya mahabahuhu.
tam nihatya mahabhavuhu
Adaha sarvagatascha saha.
dadharha swargatascha saha.
Tadaha swargatascha saha. Oh. So, evam abhavat. Then what happened? They saw this Rakshasa. What is the Rakshasa? Kabandhan nama rupena. The one Kabandha namaka Rakshasa. Rupena Vikrutam. He has a very, very deformed body. Ghora darshanam. Very, very bhayankara to even look at. Tam nihatya. He killed that Rakshasa. Mahabahuhu Ramaha nihatya. Dadaha, he did Antyakriyas to that body. Swargatascha saha Swargataha, he went to Swarga. There came out a Gandharva, I think, that comes out from this Kabandha, and he goes to Swarga. Let's see what this says. Tataha tena eva shokena grudhram dagdva jataisham. This is all done. Kabandhan nama rupam vikrutam ghoradarshanam तं निहत्य महाबाहुः ददाह स्वर्गतः च सः. Oh, it is continuing even more. And then he tells some information before going to Swarga. I think this should be good. We'll stop here only because we have done 6 slokas, I think. It's up to you. If you are okay with it, we can go over 2 more slokas and then we'll stop.
We'll complete this next stanza, and that will complete actually.
Okay. Yes. We'll do that. Yeah. Tam nihatya mahabahuhu dadaha Swargataha chasaha, and then Sachasya Kathayamasa.
Sachasya
Sachasya. Sachasya
Sachasya
Kathayamasa.
Sachasya Kathayamasa
Shabarim Dharmacharinim.
Shabarim Dharmacharinim
Shramanim Dharmanipunam.
Shamanim Nipunam
Abhigacheti Raghavam.
Abhigacheti Raghavam.
So Bhyagata. Oh, just a second. Let me check. Oh, yeah.
I think.
Raghavam Khan Raghavam. It's Raghavam only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what did this person say? Mahabahuhu tam nitya mahabahuhu dadaha swargataha chasaha sacha asya kathayamasa shabarim dharmacharinim. So what did he do? Mahabahuhu, the one with great arms, powerful arms, Rama. Tam nihatya, killing Kabandha, having eliminated. Dadaha, he cremated that body. It was huge. So the story goes like, he did not have a head and he only had one eye or something. No, he did not have any eyes. He had huge arms that were that would span the whole the forest. What he would do is he would have a keen sense of smell. Whatever animal or anything that came near him, this Rakshasa, I would just grab it and throw it into his mouth. He had a huge mouth, no eyes. Horror, very, very, very terrifying form. And then he actually catches hold of Rama. And then they kill this Rakshasa. And after that Rakshasa was cremated, Swargataha cha, because of cremation, he went on into heaven. Sahacha, he, Kabandha also, before when going to heaven, Raghava, O Raghava, he said, Raghava, Dharmacharini, a lady of Dharma, Dharmacharini of Dharma, like, who is always doing Dharma. Dharma Nipuna, who is an expert in Dharma. She knows what is Dharma, what is the Dharma, everything. Uh, Shramanam, an ascetic lady, uh, Shabarim, to the Shabari, Abhigacha, go to her. So this was what Kabandha, when he was killed, when he was going to heaven, he told. Iti, in this way, Asya tu Rama Kathayamasa, he told. That Rama, whose arms are highly powerful, has eliminated and cremated the demon Kabandha. Kabandha, while going heavenward, told Rama, O Raghava, proceed to the aesthetic lady of right conduct and expert in righteousness, namely Shabari. One interesting point that I would like to make is that this Shabari, although in the popular culture everywhere in the movies and in the serials, it is shown that, she is a Rama Bhakta and she gives those, she eats she tastes the berries before giving it to Rama to make sure that they are sweet and all. That is not actually there in the Valmiki Ramayana. She is shown to be a very very intelligent person who knows dharma from adharma. She is a she is a dharmacharini, etc. This is the kind of person she is. And it is told that she used to do she used to help out all the rishis that were living there. And that is the kind of person this Shabari is. And Rama was advised to go and meet her.
Oh, this is quite different than what we had.
Yes. Shabarim Dharmacharinim Dharmani Punam. It's not normal, it's not normal, just somebody who is doing dharma. She is a dharma nipuna to know all the intricacies of what dharma is, what adharma is, etc. So, Tadrusham Shabarim Abhigachatu iti Uktavan. Abhigacha. Abhigachan Mahateja. Okay, we'll read the next one also. Dharmanipunam Abhigacheti Raghavam. Abhigacha. He told, you go to that Shabari. Sobhyagachan Mahatejaha.
Sobhyagachan Mahatejaha
Shabarim Shatrusudanaha.
Sabarim Shatrusudanaha
Shabarya Pujitah Samyag.
Shabarya Pujita Samagya
Samyak.
Samyak
Ramo Dasharathatmajaha.
Ramo Dasharathatmaja
Pampatire Hanumata.
Pampatire Anumata
Sangato Vanarena Saha Vanarena.
Sangatho Vanarenaha.
So what happened? Saha Abhyagachan Mahatejaha. So these Mahatejaha Kaha, the Rama and Lakshmana, Rama, he went to Shabarim. Shatrusudanaha Dharmatejaha Saha Ramaha Shabarim Abhyagachan. He went to her. Shabarya Pujitaha. Shabarya Pujitaha. By Shabari, he was, she did puja to Rama. Shabarya Pujitaha. As it Mahatejaha, great, resplendent one Rama. Shatrusudanaha, enemy eliminator. Saha, that one. Shabarim Abhigachat. To Shabari he approached. Dasharathatmajaha Ramaha. Shabaryaha Samyak Pujitaha. By Shabari thoroughly venerated. She did puja of Rama. And then what happened? Pampatire Hanumata Sangato Vanarenaha. This is what we read. At the Pampatira, the lake Pampa on the banks of Pampa is a river, right? Pampa is a lake or a
No,
river?
correct. River.
Oh, it's a river. It's near
Hampi.
grandfather's village. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So, Pampa Tire, at the Pampa Tira, Hanumata, by Hanumata, and Vanarena Sahagataha, with Vanaras, with Hanumata. I think it is continuing into the next shloka, which says, Madvacha Hanumadvachana
Hanumadhu achana chaiva
Sugrivena Samagataha.
sugrivena samagataha.
So what happened? Hanumadvachana Chaiva, because of the words of Hanuman, they all came there, met Rama. Hanumadvachana, upon hearing the words of Hanuman, Sugrivena cha, Rama also met Sugriva. Samagataha reached and befriended. Rama met Vanara Hanuman on the bank of Pampa. Upon the word of Hanuman, Rama indeed befriended Sugriva. I think this should be the end of this ghatta, where it will now go into the next part where they all go to find Sita, etc. Oh, first Valivadha and then Sita Anveshana, and then Hanuman going to Lanka, finding out Sita, coming back, and then Rama building the Setu, and then Ravana Vadha. We're almost ending. We are more than halfway through.
Yeah. It's very interesting that in 50 shlokas itself, is so much of Ramayana is embedded.
Yes, it's very interesting. It's very wonderful. Thank you very much for all of you joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for your teachings.
ధన్యవాదాः.
Thank you so much.
सर्वं श्रीरामार्पणमस्तु. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतेः स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. यदक्षरपदभ्रष्टं मात्राहीनं च यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देवनारायण नमोऽस्तु ते. विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादाः.